I don't freeze apricots anymore. I keep them in a jar, and they don't spoil for years. I will wash the apricots first. I only need healthy fruits. I will remove the damaged apricots. I will cut the apricots in half and remove the stone. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I need clean and washed jars. I put the apricots in the jar, but I don't press them. Do not fill the jars to the top. I need the juice of 1 lemon. I add a spoonful of lemon juice to each jar. Acidity is an important part of safe canning. Jars full of water. The water must cover the apricots. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot, and I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I pasteurize it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. This is my favorite way to preserve apricots. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, friends.